Hi, thanks for watching. The following is an overhead camera rig build that shows how to create a plan for using SketchUp to build an overhead camera rig. This was inspired by Casey Neistat's setup and followed some plans found on YouTube and Instructables, along with another project that was on YouTube from someone who built primarily with 2x4s and incorporated a nice monitor display in the back. Our project is a SketchUp project where we're going to show you how to create a wood plan in SketchUp for this overhead camera rig. What we're going to do is show you how to lay out the pieces, turn those into components that you can reuse within your project. Something like this where there are duplicates of a number of items and the sides are essentially mirror images, it makes it pretty simple to construct, and learning the basics like this in SketchUp is going to help you build anything that you want in the future. So let's get started. We're going to fire through this rather quickly, and if you have any questions, there will be a follow-up video that goes through each step of the process in a perhaps painfully slow way. But we'll cover a few topics like control copy and duplicating an item, and then creating a component and using that component within the plan. So we hope you enjoy it and look forward to showing you a video that demonstrates each step of the process. So, thanks for watching our rapid fire SketchUp plan. In the end, we end up with a very nice camera rig that we can use for eBay photos, product demonstrations, product repair and breakdowns. Really a nice unit. You can attach a GoPro or do what we did and attach additional camera rig setup so that you can have multiple shots with one walkthrough of a product or an unboxing or a repair. It's really the ultimate setup for a DIY person. A couple rolls of inexpensive craft paper, and you have a great clean backdrop for anything that you want to do. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to put a comment below. We'd love it if you subscribe to the channel and check out woodworkcity.com.